Evolution for aha Ghana TV GH message or like, comment, subscribing, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded in Evolution for nipa baako a wayɛ hye ɛwɔ dwom amaban wɔ mu paa ɛyɛ the current Yoko boss a yɛfrɛ no Raymond Archer. Na Raymond Archer no obi a ɔnim ne bia nim sɛ na ɔyɛ quote unquote an investigative journalist. Whatever, I've not had time. Many time I made me the share investigative work. But I'm told say about investigative work oboni mudin pa. Na John Mama His Excellency Obeyo Mampeni no or the one of the most sensitive air positions I want to buy mu economic organization. I think Yoko Krame, me forgetting the full meaning of Yoko. Right? Or the new Emma Raymond Archer. Now basically no, sa Yoko no enye ade bia na institution bianca ye politics. Because counterfeiting and all those things no play a major role in it. Organized crime and all. But basically the whole of last year, who say Raymond Archer allowed himself to be used in that very office now to persecute a MPP for. In fact, now ya say first now ankanye onu na the main boss. Then he had a boss, but we heard said the boss no, was not willing to be used, manipulated that much as apparently this current Raymond is being used. Right? Allegedly, by the way. Okay, and see that's why the boss was removed and then Raymond was promoted. After Raymond's promotion, the way was cheated much went to me and the kind of bail conditions that he was demanding. Most of those bail conditions didn't make any sense. Not some behind. But when you say power corrupts, right? Now, some way, somehow, MPP pulled through all those days. Maybe they are still some ahead, but now, Raymond Archer Babonti Beka said, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, a brow kai sona no, State of the Nation address, and Oka say, Iyoko Nkwan et me every copy a 600 million Ghana cedis back for mine. No? And asset, for assets, I'm freezing. No? Now amounted to 1.5 billion Ghana cedis. And I Ghana for say, hey, Oman penny, a poucho, only my dear 600 million Ghana cedis there. Because 600 million Ghana cedis per a year, our current exchange rate, roughly give or take around 55 million US dollars. 55 million US dollars. Yes, Kakito. And the Ghana for say, one penny, we are sure. We are sure say, wait, you 55 million Ghana cedis back from people's pocket. And the Banner I want to nurses. Ebane say na won tua teachers. Ebane say na won tua railway workers, university senior staff. Ebane say na won tumi tua mo. Sika no dey den. Sika wo se wonya back no. Enti we dey ye gindi. Enti ye gindi saa na. Munim Ghana for say dey wide awake. And I'm sorry. Prekope now. Use the RTI bill. Na sa RTI right to information no. Akufo do buy aboy a pound aboy a rough. Imagine say anka RTI no ni wa anka John Mama His Excellency any young people any appointees, you'll have be getting away with everything at all. And the right to information no obi lawyer be Troy Emma Raymond Archer office officer 600 million Ghana says I was all recopy for bottom no. Ye per evidence. na evidence no say mo see NDC MPP for na mo yaska na say no crest mo to me recoup 600 million na ene nkofo a mo just cannot from nchen no omudin name them and shame them. Some say omo MPP for, so be ready to name them and shame them. It was information I catch was till now the office of Raymond Archer is yet to provide evidence to the 600 million he claims Omoru Kupi. And I doubt whether he is going to be able to provide any evidence because Kotumpu and there's no such thing. But Omon himself, basically they deceive Ghanaians. And because they know they deceive Ghanaians, they just want to create the impression as though they are working. But Ghanaians don't say, you're not doing anything at all. To your own disappointment, even more appointees are disappointed in themselves. Imagine Ghanaians. Again, I said, Munim said, we are carrying out one of the biggest projects as a community. Ghana said they are a community, we are a family. That is why we need to meet Jipa when people call me on WhatsApp and we talk and you give me additional information, you encourage us and all. We love you so much. But we are carrying out a studio project. We are carrying out a studio project. Okay. And this studio project is in the heart of Volta region. Right? Now, SARS studio project, the total cost is 25,000 Ghana cedis. 25,000 Ghana cedis. Roughly about $2,300 US. Kakra wom. Some people have already sent their donations. It amunye na ase. But nakupon eshra wanase etachi uhata. Also betna send your donations to the number that is down here. We appreciate. But don't leave yet. There's a beautiful conversation happening. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Attorney General ya no apia e de atoku de tabla kwa so se oku de tabla kwa no calculation tie se calculation ne mfa de oku de tabla kwa na mass enye Raymond Archer 6 million Ghana cedis no Shatawale car na waje esi yoko no aye according to Captain Smart abepimu ne on release car ne ma Shatawale no eno no wa convert se sika wanya na mumie misa ama. We need to know. Shatawale, I want to know.
Ekwe bisu a wuntumi ntade na omko fae no. Nso omoji wuntumi ntade ne
me biso e friend say Addison eyire tomani ni chain no omko fae no ma value ni nyina na do 6 million na say dey.
Ene wuntumi ntade ne ade.
Ene wuntumi ntade ne ene oma ene ni moba ma ni sika na edem no. Ene wa value ni nyina na wo see do 6 million Ghana cedis na say dey. He should come and omra. Ama no me cheche ni nsemu enchire ye because Mr. 6 million I don't know how he came up with that figure but per adwuma obeye minim se Shatawale ka according to Captain Smart also when release man no enti that means Shatawale ka no e da so si ne nchen enti ano no value ni nyina bom no se won wo be se kwotena yoko as yoko boss no wanya wa accumulate ye friend say 6 million Ghana cedis e de ama ye friend say yoko ana. No venture mu nche because me dey bi adwuma minim so waya ne say was say wuntumi ntade ka ho bi ye fence Addison the former ye fence Bank of Ghana ye fence CEO ono esi omo kofa na yire toma ni ri chain eni ade enyo mo sesenti eno no ma value no mo dey do 6 million na onfa breakdown ne mra because oba mi hu obi a am watwe obi akwagina court wa win this ka bi Yoko boss, what you will be the knuckle quarter Kabi. So where did he get the money from? Unless he is telling us, say, and Crawfordia mana or he events at Japamo, Aqua Society, and no value not do 6 million.
Can you for Rata Ho, Addison Ho, a friend is saying, wound to me ho until good dear be at jewelries, Nina man on market can't boom when you 6 million Ghana cedis. Yeah,
because if we are being honest with ourselves, Yoko boss on Timinfa or Bian court, and prosecuting no emi enka say bi kwa ye the damages say na abono enti nipa ni metria na me kan what say. So if he says that he has recovered 6 million oba abemu NDC ba ben onu yoko boss Raymond Archer recover 6 million. Where did he get the money from? Me see me 2 million na machire sie. Captain Smart say Raymond Archer Shatawale ka ne da so si wo ho. Yoko hodom le da so si wo. Eno no value dia kan 6 million ne ho ana. Won to me nta ade ne ne ma na mo sesa ye no. Mo sesa ka mo kwache no eno ka 6 million na wa value ne ho ana. Eno so your question. Ayi Anderson, ayire Toma, ni chain any ye friend is a CCTV na moko tutu ni any of Oriata fie ho na moko ransack ye no saa niam no na makoka bo na ma value ni nyina besi 6 million no ana because me no kasa ma me hu say Raymond Archer e di obi akokọ to akọjiska bi afi ne nchen. So where did he get that money from? He should bring your friends a proper and better particulars. No for breakdown no embrace. Ama mo bin ka me na me asama me wo interest wo me nyenye we.
Yo, Mate, why so nedru? Voter senior minister. Archbishop, when your baby papa ejina. Na oni mi ambeko. Okay, onya baby papa ejina voter.
Voter nkasa, man nkasa.
Okay. Voter senior minister.
Yo, mami. Yeah. Yo, mami, me da say na. Very interesting. NDC are buying, especially you see NDC party ni there. Nipa what me ama NDC na omada pa ada di pa John Mahama. Is he yaba beto about 2024 no guy be frame me. O frame me also frame fi NDC for John Mahama campaign team office. Na some ne say o pese me to aba Emma John Mahama. Me bacha motemenka me network no I don't know say motemenka. Baja motemenka.
Yete.
Baja motemenka. Ama baja motemenka.
What are you? Meto unka me pona
my network.
Hello, what are you?
We can hear you, oh,
we can hear you.
Motemenka.
Check the comment section. Yes. But you been type of comment section, man, why?
Ama motemenka.
Ai, yate unka.
I think so.
No. Yeah. Voter may disconnect you so that you can come again. We were hearing you, just that you weren't hearing us. Now,
he should have just checked the comment section.
Yeah, I think so. No, Intia.
Yeah, tene kasa, but no intia kasa.
No intia kasa. Gap media.
My sending invitation, so he'll be back.
And then I said, "Oh, we can who hear the video?"
I can't say. I am not to Kwasa.
What the wine? I don't know the wine. Me.
Yamo modern na yam prepare ho kakra. Yamo modern na President Mahama. Enra 1 point Baba Sadiq as Nigerian High Commissioner. Defense Minister ewu 7 months in ye. Ye ni Ghana Defense Minister. It is President Mahama no the priority that is saying or misplaced priority wo gidi say Ghana High Commissioner to Nigeria who here chain Ghana's Defense Minister. That is the sort of president we have. Makacha mo say President Mahama wo gidi say amamu no the hobby won fa the serious. What dan what say na Ghana for me mo te say ya na wa hwe bibi do beye. Baby yakọ no waku wo hwe ne ma ekoso yedi ewu omu kumunipa omu sell property yebu adangu ekofo businesses me no ka say I think say Saudi ho ne UAE ne nyina no omu stock exchange nyina no yatum stock exchange is not it's not functioning now. Imagine say New York Stock Exchange you see atum even for 10 hours krompo na if you asisi nyina no a block it ye be koso asre say I don't know where this thing is going to lead us. So ukum leader. Ukum leader. Leaders hardly die with their ideologies. Hardline leaders. To say Ali Hamena we say now free mono. Yeah. They are not dead with their ideologies. Any po bedina de no ya anye careful he may even be worse because nipa na yakunu no na nko that so ya around and they will expect the new leader say he has to avenge the death of the successor.
And only problem nkrofo bebre war with this war say
yes
America call Iraq and no na ema terrorism call soro ewuwiase
Iraq Afghanistan
and only ade na terrorism
Iraq Afghanistan Libya
nti we na osanko ha say no almost say na headquarters of terrorism no ebe ma surge na kosoro na ebe puti American citizens at risk
all over the world,
around the world.
And as citizens no so much American citizens no more other countries no.
Yeah.
It means say member countries go for host to American citizens almost they be
asa eno ne amania Saudi Arabia no ehu no because now you say omuna host America military base wo ho no nyina nti omasha say attack him ma check B2 spirit bomber no yes omo year 21 B2 spirit bomber no na each one be cost $2.13 billion and now what the ba and now as a back cost be $4.27 billion in 2025.
Okay, it's the professor say yes. I say they all like the war, but the fact that it wasn't executed by the Democrats, the Democrats no into to what I say, but they say no, mitiati has said some meaning mitiati hanumo. It's that time no, any man yajipa, but literally you say, Omoka said they were developing weapons of mass destruction. What we said, and
you were drones to see we say no kwaromo brosa.
Na say you need baby a certification say number of drones are why. Well because what is will be so 1,000 akwaku e go do 5 million.
Now we say Ghana yenye say be kokko. Now they say be kokko answer.
The way we say yenye but yenye ready kakra with them be.
Antio say Ghana see no we asin obi atimi because world root order no break it down. Into betimi obi a no akoto ahye no so. Eno say nti we itimi ka se to go for higher wo ye boundary hunti yen so ye ni omudi kosi ani ni age boundary.
Kwaku ho na misuro no.
Nti esi ho na ye ko.
On say Fred say now UN General Secretary Antonio Guterres. Virtually why lame duck.
I said Trump wa idea so begu UN no. Now also what TBB or say the peace board say peace board is a board of peace. I think say or withdraw America support nyina for most of the international organizations. It be na opeso ogu no atene there and son of bekwa wakom. But high movement in the morning no twe abo apansema enan na go on. You say obi say Mefin the bro for the same.
Mefin abrofo. Mbacho minim. It will be to me a casebia. Be specific. Don't make blanket statements.
Ayana, I saw Tim Crawford from Sir Angle.
But Metina says so. Because me baby no imagine catch on say. Yes, sir, a friend say America for I could say with Macasa.
Debbie.
So what are you
telling me?
So don't make blanket statements like that.
You bought a Donald Trump. I
said what open the quadro do Ayɛka and we under want.
Open to car no identity. America has the best army in the world.
No, what will be our bad no about
Department of War.
I will try now.
Thank you, Mr.